Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all, guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap, and close our eyes. And when you're ready, guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Very good. And next we'll do our stretching sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And we can begin by stretching up high to the sky. And then let's go down low, touch our toes. Now, let's go back up high. And this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. And then back down to touch our toes. Hands on hips. Let's have a shake. Let's have a wiggle. Stop. And now another wiggle. Another wiggle. Another wiggle. Stop. Forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and stop. And this time we'll go round and round. Round and round. Round and round, and stop. Now back the other way. Back the other way. And stop. Now let's have a shake. Shake it out. Shake it out. Very good, guys. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently? What type of things have we been learning about? Shapes. And what type of shapes? 2D shapes. So let's write that phrase on the board first of all. 2D. What does D stand for again? Dimensional. So how many dimensions do our shapes have? 2. 2D. And how do we spell shapes, guys? S-H-A-P-E-S. Excellent. And we're now coming to the end of our section on 2D shapes. So what we're going to do in today's lesson is review the first group of shapes that we learnt about. So let's write review on the board as well, guys. R, E, V, I, E, W. 2D shapes Review number 1. This will be our first review. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to see if our students can remember the names of the shapes. I'm going to ask my students to close their eyes. I will write a shape or I will draw a shape on the board, and then see if our students can come forward and correctly write the name of that shape underneath. So let's see who can go first, guys. There you go. Open your eyes. Who has the pen? Okay, Pat, come and join me at the front. So let's see, the first shape we learnt about. Who can remember what shape this is? Circle. Now, Pat, can you correctly draw or can you correctly write the word circle underneath? C-I-R-C-L. C-I-R, that's good. C again. L-E. Excellent, Pat. What's our shape called? Circle. Excellent. Well remembered. High five. Big round of applause for Pat. Our first shape we learnt about, guys, circle. Okay, so let's close our eyes. Shape number 2. Okay, now we can open our eyes again. Nadia, come and join me at the front. The next shape was similar to a circle, but not quite, because it looked a bit more like this. Now, who can remember what this shape was called? Oval. Nadia, can you write oval underneath our next shape, please? O-V-A-L. Okay, and what's our shape called, Nadia? Oval. All together, guys. Oval. Nadia, excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Nadia. Okay, shape number 3. Who can go next? Let's close our eyes, guys. Now let's open our eyes. Who has the pen? Bangpon, come and join me at the front. Our next shape. Can I have that color, sorry? You have the black one for writing. Who can remember what this shape is? Triangle. Well done. Bangpon, can you write triangle underneath our shape? T-R-I-A-N-G G-L-E. Okay, and this is I. This needs a stop on the top for I. So what's our shape called, Bangpon? Triangle. All together, guys. Triangle. Bangpon, well done. High five. Big round of applause for Bangpon. So far we've learnt about circle, oval, triangle. And now for our next shapes. Open your eyes, please, guys. Down. Come and join me at the front. You stand here for me, please. Who can tell me what this shape is? Square. Excellent. Dan, can you write square underneath for me? And we can S-Q-U-A-R-E. Excellent. What's our shape called? Square. All together, guys. Square. Well done, Dan. That was superb. High five. Big round of applause for Dan. Now, who can go next? Let's see. Okay, let's open our eyes, guys. Prel, come and join me. Our next shape was similar to a square, but not quite. It was a little bit longer on two sides, so it looked like this. Rectangle, excellent. Prel, can you write for me? R, E, C, T, A. No, that's correct. You're right. Recti, A, N, G, L, E. That's correct. What's our shape called, Prel? Rectangle. All together, guys. Rectangle. Prel, excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Prel. Can anybody remember there was a special name given to the shapes that are squares and rectangles? There's a special name for shapes with four sides and four corners, beginning with Q. Quadrilaterals. Remember? Anything with four sides and four corners, like a square or like a rectangle, is called a quadrilateral. So all together, guys, quadrilaterals. And in today's review lesson, we're going to be looking at circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle. That was excellent, guys. Very well remembered. So round of applause. And what we've got now, we've got a video presentation and then a PowerPoint also, so that we can refresh and review our memories about these shapes that we're looking at today. So let's turn our chairs to have a look at the TV screen, guys. Now we'll have a look at our PowerPoint presentation to refresh how many sides and corners each shape has. So altogether, 2D shapes, review, 1. This is a circle. A circle has one side and no corners. Yes, a circle has no straight sides, but what a circle has is one side that goes all the way around. How many corners? 0. How many circles can you see in the picture? 2. What colours? Very good, well spotted. And next, this is an oval. An oval has one side and no corners. Same dimensions as a circle, but where an oval is different, it's not perfectly round. An oval can be wider or taller. How many corners does an oval have? 0. How many sides? 1. Has one side going all the way around. This is a triangle. Does anybody remember what does tri mean? 3. Whenever you see tri at the front of something, it usually means 3. Like triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. You see, 1, 2, 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 corners. Is a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And the thing about a square, all the sides have to be the same length. They're the same all the way around. How many sides? How many corners? All the same length? That's what makes a square. This is a rectangle. How many sides? How many corners? Are they all the same length? No. What a rectangle has is 2 long sides and 2 short sides. That's what makes a rectangle and a square different. Similar to an oval and a circle. They have the same characteristics, but different length or height. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, what shape is this? This is a... How many triangles can you see? 1. But look inside. There are lots and lots of different triangles inside. How many sides does a triangle have? 3. How many corners? 3. What shape is this? This is a... How many corners? 4. How many sides? 4. Are all the sides the same length? No. You see, 2 long sides and 2 short. That's what makes a rectangle. What shape is this? This is a oval. How many sides? 1. How many straight sides? 0. Yes. The oval has 1 side that goes all the way around. What shape is this? This is a square. Excellent. How many sides? 4. How many corners? 4. Are all the sides the same length? Yes. Yes, that's what makes a square. If all the sides are the same length, it's square. And finally, what shape is this? This is a circle. How many sides? 1. How many straight sides? 0. 1 side, but 0 straight sides. Because the sides on a circle goes all the way around. How many corners? 0. Any questions, guys? No. Okay, that was excellent. Well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the video song and the PowerPoint presentation to review and refresh our memory about the 2D shapes we've learned. And for this lesson, one more time, guys, we're looking at circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle. And remember the special name for shapes with 4 sides and 4 corners? Quadrilaterals. Where tri means 3, quad means 4. Okay, so well done, guys. That was excellent. And it's now time for our stretch sequence. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And this time we'll begin by rotating left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Excellent, guys. Now we'll do some stretches. First of all, we'll do 5 stretches to our right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And next, we'll do 5 stretches to our right. To our left. 3, 4, 5. Excellent. Let's shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. And to finish, we're going to do 5 star jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent, guys. Have a seat. And now, teachers, it's time for our flashcard part of the lesson, which, as we've been doing for all of the shapes, is a jigsaw exercise so that our students can work together to piece the pieces together to make a shape. The difference for this lesson is that we're looking at a variety of shapes, the shapes that we have on the board. So what we need to do first is we need to divide our students into groups. So we'll go Lakgau and Preu, team 1. Bangpon, down, team 2. Net, Pakbung, team 3. Pat, Nadia and Chu, team 4. I have 9 students, so 3 teams of 2 and 1 team of 3. And when we're ready, guys, we'll work together to try to make our shapes. So our shapes are either going to be circle, oval, triangle, or square. Okay, so look on the board if you're stuck with your jigsaw. So what we need to do now, teachers, is print off the flashcards for the lesson and divide and piece the jigsaws into 4 or 5 different pieces. And then you can give them to your teams. So team 1, leave them there for now. Up. 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 Team 2, there's your, not yet, wait till team 3 and team 4 have theirs. Team 3. Okay, and team 4, the 3 of you guys can work together. So remember, our jigsaws, when you put them together, should look like one of the shapes you see on the board. Are we ready? Team 1? Ready. Team 2? Team 3? Team 4? 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, we've got our triangle. Excellent. Excellent. We've got the circle. That looks a little bit like a square. The key with the oval, if you make sure the black goes on the outside. Okay. Pakpung. Okay, finished. Ready, guys? When our teams are finished, what we can do is that we can ask them to move their jigsaws to the left, and then they can work on the next one. There are 4 different ones in total. And you can pause the video now, teachers, and you can play on with your students in your room for around 10 minutes. So, team 1, are you ready? Ready. Team 2, are you ready? Ready. Team 3? Ready. Team 4, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Finish. Not quite. Finish. Excellent, okay, yep. Finish. Okay, that's better, that's it. Brilliant, guys. Okay, so now, once again, switch your jigsaws to the left. Many. You want more pieces? I think 4 might be too easy. Shall I rip some up? Okay, final round we'll do. Team 4, are you ready? Team 1, are you ready? Team 3, are you ready? Team 2, are you ready? Up. Go. Excellent. The oval's a good one. It has the black ring on the outside so you can see. Okay, yes, that's good. That's a circle. I thought that was supposed to be oval, but it's circle. No. Finished. Excellent. Okay. One final time, okay? And then everybody's done the jigsaw. Every team has had every piece. Who has 3? 3 is 2, 3. Okay. Final time. Team 1. Are you? Bip. Okay. I'm holding this one. Team 1 will be ready in a moment. Team 2. Are you ready? Ready. Team 3. Team 4. Go. Sure. Excellent. Okay. The triangle's not quite done yet. Look where the blue will be near the blue. Okay, that was excellent, guys. Very well done. Big round of applause from everyone. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the flashcard jigsaw activities. My students here all had lots of fun, and they demonstrated very well their knowledge of the shapes because they could all do it quite quickly. So maybe next time we need more pieces. But now it's time for our worksheet activity. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of the students in your class. And what we're going to work on now is the shapes that we've looked at in the lesson. As you can see, all of our objects resemble one of the shapes that's on the board behind me. So what our students need to do is they need to decide what shape it is and then write underneath, this is a, like for example, shape number 1, triangle. So we will write, this is a triangle. And for the vocabulary, we have the phrases written at the top if our students get stuck. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Write our names on top. So, Chu, this one's for you. Pat? Pak Bung, you're welcome. Ned? You're welcome. Down? Bangpon, for you. Pleo?
Thank you.
Lakau? Okay. So let's give our students 12 to 15 minutes for this activity because it involves quite a little bit of writing, which is good. And if we need any help, guys, you can ask me. So shape number 1 or object number 1, what is it? Triangle. So underneath we will write, this is a triangle. And if you need help with the vocabulary, we have the phrases written above. Yes, and here too. This is a triangle. So this one here, circle. So every one will be this is a, and then the name of the shape. This is A. And then you can write the name of the shape. Two. Excellent. Very well done. But don't forget your name. Nadia, that's great. Well done. Triangle is the first one. Well done, Ned. Boom, that's excellent. If you need any help with the vocabulary, you can see on the board or also on the worksheet. Well done, Dan. That's very good. Bang Bon, excellent. Oh, very good. That's right. The egg is an oval. Excellent, Lackow. Just be careful with the square and the rectangles. Remember, the square has to have 4 even sides. The rectangle has 2 long and 2 short. That's how we tell the difference between a square and a rectangle. Excellent, Pakbong. Square. This is a square. Squares and rectangles are quadrilaterals. They have 4 sides. And then square. Excellent, Ned. Oval. Very well done, that's correct. Egg shape is oval. This one is not quite an oval. This one is perfectly round. So perfectly round. Circle. Circle, yes. Excellent. Oval, yes. Circle, oval. Well done, Bang Pon. Excellent, guys. Good to see your understanding of shapes is very good. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to write the correct phrases underneath each of the objects for whatever shape they were. And now we'll practice speaking together. So object number 1, guys, this is a triangle. This is a square. This is an oval. This is a square. This is a triangle. This is a rectangle. This is a circle. This is an oval. This is a square. This is a rectangle. This is a square. And the final one, this is an oval. Excellent, guys. Very well spoken. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson, which has been a review of the 2D shapes we've learned so far. So one final time, guys. Circle, oval, triangle, square, rectangle, which are quadrilaterals. And quadrilaterals. And these are 2D shapes. Excellent. So that's all we've got time for today. We hope you've enjoyed it, found it interesting, and we'll see you again soon, real soon. So can we all turn to wave and say goodbye? Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you next time.